y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make another Tater Tot Casserole. This is a chicken pot pie casserole and I'm not sure that I've ever made it, so we're going to go ahead and dig right in. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 and prepare a 9x13 pan and set that aside. It can be glass or metal, whichever you prefer, and get you a mixing bowl because we're going to mix our liquid ingredients and filling ingredients first. You need a can of cream of chicken soup, you're going to need about half a cup sour cream, and you can use yogurt if you prefer that, plain yogurt. I would choose Greek because that gives you a little bit more thicker. And we've got to put some milk in this. So let's see, we need 2/3 of a cup of milk. You can use any type. I'm going to use almond milk. Some more. Okay, 2/3 of a cup. And you're going to need a bag of mixed vegetables. The recipe calls for 16 ounces, but I'm using 12 ounces because that's all I could find. And that will work. And that's about it. We just need to put our spices in. You're going to need about a teaspoon of dried thyme. And I would suggest you use this because this is, love this herb. Very, very good one. And you need it. Kosher salt and pepper. You can of course use whatever salt you prefer. Alright, now I'm going to put my chicken in that I've already cooked and chopped. It's about 4 cups worth, but you can use a little bit less if you're on a budget or you just want to cut back. I do that a lot. Just to be easier on my budget. This was really only 2 chicken breasts. And last little addition is a cup of cheddar. And yes, you're going to mix it into the casserole. You can also probably shorten your time if you cook the vegetables first and drain them really, really well. Or just use canned vegetables. Okay. So let me get my pan over here and show you the next step. Okay, so I have my 9x13 sprayed and ready. Put my filling in. Spread it out. And I'm going to top with my tater tots. And you need to spread those out. This was a 2-pound bag. Okay. So All right, 375 for 50 minutes until it's brown and crispy on top. Okay, y'all, this is straight out of the oven. You may want to let it rest a few minutes before you dig into it. It turned out fine, and it really, 50 minutes is the perfect time for it to cook. It's done, and it's ready to serve. I'll see y'all next time.